Hi, I'm Miss Nancy Ruth. I'm a children's minister and the co-founder of Parent Road Ministries. We want to see kids living for Jesus.
Hey kids, look what I found. It's Dominoes. Lots and lots of Dominoes. I wonder if Dad would help me do something fun with that. That looks pretty good. Do you think it'll work? I don't know, we're gonna find out. But I want you to look as it goes at the variety of dominoes that we have. Now let's see if it works. I can't wait. Oh my, some of those dominoes needed a little help, didn't they? That's what's called encouragement. Did you know that God gives us each a job to do too? That job is to tell people about Jesus and show God's love. We each are put in a specific place with a specific job to do, and we have to work together to make that happen. It only takes one of us not in place for the plan not to work very well. Thankfully, God has a plan for that too. It's called encouragement. God uses us to encourage others to continue to tell people about Jesus and share God's love. Listen as Pastor Henderson tells us more.